Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Food Cravers. Generally, my recipes are easygoing, in comfort zone, and most importantly, healthy. But I guess everyone has a cheat day, right? So on that note, I'm going to share a recipe of Shahi Paneer, which contains lots of cream, cashew, ghee and butter. So without wasting any time, let's dig into it. First of all, I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil, adding 1 bay leaf, black cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, 2-3 green cardamom. I have opened it and putting the seeds of black cardamom and green cardamom. The aroma of these spices are amazing. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of onion, 2 cups of tomatoes, 1/4 cup of garlic, adding half cup of cashew nuts and 1 inch of ginger. I have roughly chopped everything because we have to blend it, so that doesn't matter. Going to add a little bit of salt in this. Allow this to cook around 15 to 20 minutes and then this will be ready to blend. For this recipe, one thing you have to keep in mind is the ratio of tomato and onions. 1 onion is to 2 tomatoes. So that's the secret. So we allow this to cook. 15 minutes are done. Our onions and tomatoes are well cooked. Now bring this to a room temperature and blend it. What I'm going to do is removing cinnamon sticks, bay leaf and the cover of cardamom. Our gravy is coming to the room temperature. Meanwhile, we do preparations for our paneer. Here I'm adding around 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can also use butter. When you can see it's warm, I'm adding half teaspoon of cumin seed and adding paneer cubes. We have to make it golden brown from all the sides. So yeah, I'm flipping it around. See the color. If you want, you can completely avoid this. This will give a great flavor. What I'm going to do next is just sprinkling little bit of degi mirch and of course little bit of turmeric just to enhance the color. See, our gravy is blended. I'm pouring here. Stir it and just give it a good boil. Going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Be gentle because paneer is always soft, so yeah, it can break. And this is our Shahi Paneer. At this stage, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of cream. If you have fresh cream, definitely go with that. I don't have, so I'm using the packet one. Now see the color and see the texture, the smoothness of the gravy. I can't wait to eat this. Lastly, I'm going to add kasuri methi. Give it a mix. And here we are. It's ready. Enjoy with your friends and family. Have it with chapatis, naan or lachha paratha, whatever you like. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and also press bell icon so that you can get notification every time. Take care. See you in next video. Bye.